Running a business is complex enough, right? So why should opening a business bank account feel like an obstacle course? If you've been looking for a straightforward way to manage your company's finances and considered EverBank, you're in the right place. Today, we're cutting through the confusion and walking you step by step through exactly how to apply for an EverBank business account. EverBank offers a few different business account options, like business checking and business money market accounts, each designed for different business needs. Before you start the application, it's worth taking a moment to look at their website to decide which account is the best fit for your company's transaction volume, balances, and overall goals. Once you know your target account, the application process for EverBank business accounts generally begins with a crucial first step, a pre-qualification form. Unlike some banks where you just jump into a full online application, EverBank typically uses this form to gather some initial details about your business. You'll need to answer a few quick questions covering things like whether your business is registered outside the U.S., if it's involved in any restricted industries, or if it involves a business trust. These questions help EverBank determine eligibility quickly. After completing the pre-qualification form, the process shifts from a self-service online application to a personalized service. This is where an EverBank business banking specialist steps in. The bank emphasizes a direct consultation to expedite the account opening process. A specialist will reach out to you directly based on the contact information you provided in the pre-qualification form. This is usually a phone number and email. This specialist is your main point of contact. They will discuss your specific account opening requirements, which can vary based on your business structure, for example, a sole proprietorship versus an LLC or corporation. They will confirm the necessary documentation, which commonly includes your business's legal name, taxpayer identification number, like an EIN, details about all beneficial owners, and any official business formation documents. Keep in mind that while some of the initial steps can be done online, the core of opening the business account involves working with this specialist to submit and verify the required paperwork. This is their method for ensuring everything is correct and compliant. Once all your documents are submitted and reviewed, the specialist will finalize your application and help you with the initial funding of your new account, setting you up for online banking access. This dedicated support can actually save you time in the long run by avoiding common application errors. So, to summarize the process, Step 1, complete the online pre-qualification form. Step 2, wait for the EverBank business specialist to contact you. And Step 3, work with your specialist to submit your documentation and finalize the account opening. That's the route to getting your new EverBank business account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.